Ayo, your mommy. Nova. Call me the Black Queen. Ah.
So today we'll talk bye-bye for black spot and rough face. Yes, bye-bye for black spot and rough face. All the ingredients we need now. Now only potatoes, Irish potatoes. We just need small or medium-sized Irish potatoes. We need lemon. We just need teaspoon, so no need plenty lemon. If you don't get lemon, you fit use limes. Yes, if you use limes. We'll need yogurt, plain yogurt with no scent, no fruits, plain yogurt. We'll need coconut oil. If you want to see how they do this magic, stay tuned after my intro. We'll get straight into the process. We'll need grater for grater the potatoes, the Irish potatoes. We'll need measuring spoon and mixer. That hand mixer, get them for dollar store, $1. We'll clean the potatoes, the Irish potatoes. I use like small Irish potatoes or medium size if you call them. We'll grate them. After I grate them, now we'll sift them. If you use sifter or if you use even a socks you get, if you use a sifter, I'm going to need the juice for the Irish potatoes. Now the juice for the Irish potatoes that if you did pass by or be new member for this channel, please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you. We'll add that yogurt, one chopping spoon. That spoon with the chop rice. Add that inside the potatoes. We'll mix them. We'll use teaspoon coconut oil, just small. We'll add them for the mixture of potatoes, yogurt. We'll use small limes. I use limes finally. You just need small teaspoon lemon and limes or lemon juice. We'll add that inside. We'll mix them well. Mix them well. Make it smooth. You see how it's smooth. You did a paste. Yes. Now we'll put if you store inside this small container. I'll get them for dollar store. They come out like 4 container for $1. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you. You need to clean your face. No ever put mask on top the face. Yes, no ever do them. Always clean your face before you put them. Always clean your face. And if you want to start some new thing, always start them like for your hand. Put them for your small hand like for 10 minutes. Yes, always first try for your hand like for 10 minutes. Yeah. After I go rub them for my face. I go rub them for my face. I go rub them well for my face. You know, I do wear glasses, so sometimes in my eye I get dark circles. Yes. So I go rub them. As I talk, you need to always do your research before you do anything for your skin. Face be very delicate because now face delicate more. So always do your research before you want to do something and try and see if you be allergic or anything. So always first try and for your hand. But this it really work. So if you try as I talk, potatoes get anti-aging properties. And the yogurt will help smooth your face. Coconut oil to the help for smooth face and then make your face shine. Yes, I will leave them on for like 30 minutes. I don't rub them for my neck and all side. Yeah, after now I will wash my face. I don't wash my face now. My face that. But to be honest, consistency. Yes, I need to use body lotion for my face. I use shea butter and coconut oil mix for my face. Body lotion name na face lotion. Consistency na the key. You get to do this thing regularly if you want really see the result. Not just do one today, expect result. This mask, if you store them for fresh, if you store them like for 3 or 5 days, you don't get to overstay. Yeah, because the natural thing don't use them. Don't forget for subscribe and hit that bell button, share, like and comment. Thank you.